Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am not in the Smokies, but I am on a bucket list hike that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. I'm up in Virginia. Spent the night up in Bedford. Show you how I got here. Got my sleep system in there, my blanket, hammock set up, all my camping gear, backpacking gear, and in Virginia. This is the hammock setup, sleep system that I'm using tonight. Hi y'all. It's raining a little bit tonight in Virginia. Here by a stream. I've got the tarp up. Thank you, Lisa. Really tired. It's been a long motorcycle ride to get here. Had a really good dinner this evening, and want to retire for the night.
I've been throwing horseshoes over my left shoulder.
Hey guys, it's night number 2 in the Washington State Park in Virginia. I'm in the Bedford area, so I'll put more details of where I am in the description below. Tonight's a full moon. It's a little cooler tonight than it was last night. Tomorrow morning I'm going to get up and head over to McAfee Knob and do some hiking on the Appalachian Trail. And right now I'm on the Appalachian Trail in Virginia. I'm going to hike up to McAfee Knob today and check out that awesome place. Parking lot's pretty full, but being on a motorcycle, it's not too hard to squeeze in somewhere. So I've got a pretty close parking spot. All right, let's go hiking. I want to give a big shout out to my friends back in the Smokies that are hiking today. Hike on. So last night I slept in my hammock system again, and it didn't rain last night, but boy, that temperature dropped down pretty cool. Hike out to McAfee Knob and back, and then jump back on the motorcycle to head back to Tennessee. I want to give a shout out to my friend Evan. He's got a YouTube channel, Evan's Backpack Videos. I put a link to it up here and a link down in the description. But Evan just started the Appalachian Trail about 7 or 8 days ago now. So wishing him luck on his journey. Right up here is my destination for today. Yep. All right, that was McAfee Knob. Very crowded place and very popular place. Trail wasn't too bad getting here. It won't be that bad going back. I'll leave a full trail report in the description below. I just talked to my buddy Chris just a few moments ago. He's going to meet me at exit 141 down off of Interstate 81, and then want to change back into some motorcycle clothing and head for the Tennessee border.